Do you ever worry that manual stud welding can't guarantee the consistency your products demand? Are you facing challenges ensuring every weld on automotive components or gas-insulated switchgear meets strict industry standards? Every single time, introducing the TATE short-cycle drawn arc CNC stud welding machine, engineered for high-precision, high-reliability automatic welding. With closed-loop current control, programmable CNC positioning, and stable short-cycle arc welding, TATE ensures deep fusion, strong joints, and repeatable quality, even on galvanized or coated materials. The system minimizes operator influence, improves process stability, and supports full production traceability, ideal for automotive manufacturing, electrical cabinets, and other mission-critical applications where zero defects are the target, not the exception. Whether you are upgrading an existing line or building a new automated welding process, TATE delivers speed, accuracy, and confidence in every weld. If your projects require high standards, strict process control, and reliable automation, talk to us today. Contact info@octate.com.